Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable two-factor authentication on your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. The official page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login. Log into your Gocardless account using your login credentials and the home page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on User Settings. On the next page, scroll all the way down until you reach two-factor authentication. You can either enable two-factor authentication through application or with your phone. Choose any one of the options. Here I'm gonna set up two-factor authentication with phone number. Enter your phone number and a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter verification code sent to your number, and that's how you'll be able to enable two-factor authentication on your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.